Hello everyone, this is Vinod Kumar and I have a MCA graduated. This is my project and I'm going to tell about my project, how exactly it's work. And this is my project, privacy preservation schema using face identification to access in net banking environment. And my guide is Durga Devi ma'am, BE PhD in IT department. My co-guide is Dr. J. Senthil Murugan, MCA MTech PhD in MCA department. This is my abstract system. The provider of internet banking service must be more responsive towards security requirement. Nowadays, with the network world, the way of cybercrime is become easier for hacking purpose. The main purpose of my project is security, because nowadays the people worried about their money. So before they have only one layer of security, it's very easily to hacking who are well known in the network. So here we introduce three types of security, like face biometric system and fingerprint system, then SMS alert. So so here we can protect the theft and some details. This is existing system, the online net banking to manage internet banking. This will be accessible to all customer who have a valid user ID and password and OTP message in your mobile. In this model, the single layer security to accessing and managing your account. Nowadays with the network world, the way of cybercrime is become easier for hacking purpose. So they using two layer of security like device authentications and SMS alert on your mobile. This is my proposed system. The proposed system providing the three layer of security to access your net banking security and securely. Without primary user permissions, you can't access then applications. Suppose you try to access, it will denied. Security will be achieved by implementing real-time authentication system using face biometric and fingerprint for authentications. The persons for accessing online banking system. Here we suppose anyone trying to access your your account, it will deny your account, because and one more thing here, it take the screenshot and send it to the corresponding person. That is the main purpose of our project, and as well as it will send the message to the corresponding network, corresponding person. This is my system architecture. Training phases means registration part. First you have to register your face and your details. So here registration phase and facial parts and multi-party registration. Multi-party registrations means you can add one more person with your account. So if you want to access your account without your knowledge, you can add one more person here. So next, all the details stored into face database. KNN classifications, this is the K algorithm. It is used for comparing the data. If it will successfully compared, then it will give the access to you. That is called KNN classifications. Then testing phases. First you have to log in your account, then it will give you access to type of transactions and face capturing. These are the steps. This is the model split ups: banking interface creations, face detections, access permissions, face verifications and fingerprints. And next, OTP generations. So it will generate your mobile, it will generate the OTP to your mobile number and SMS notification. These are the model split ups. This is the data flow diagram. It is tell about how exactly program will execute from beginning to end. So bank interface framework, admin login, user login, view the user details, type of activities, net banking, credit card, debit card and account summary. Here admin login, admin can maintain your account, and user login means user means yours, who are have a account in this applications. These are the user login. View the user details. Admin only can view the details, and user can't view the another person details. So it will be securely stored in the database. Type of activity: what are the activities you do, you did in this application, they will store in the type of activities. Net banking, credit card, here you can store your details and account summary, and what are the transaction, when your transaction is done, and everything will stored here. This is the face detections. So face detection means you have to first register your face, then only we can use the applications. You first use the registration. It asks some details, so you have to give some details here. So enable the camera, then after give the user registration details, it will enable the camera. So then you have to show your face front of the screen. Then ICP algorithm means it will store the your face, like it will notes also iris and finger lips and the lips movements. There are all the details will be stored here. So facial for detection also, I told you that it will store the iris and lips movements. So it will store the live moment and store it into database. Access permission, this is the secondary user access. So if you want to add one more person to access your account, you can add here. These are the settings. Next, level 4, face and fingerprint verification. Once you give all the details to the applications, it will compare to the real-time face, that is the verifications. So if you try to transfer the money to another person, these are the steps you have to verified. So face verifications, one of the steps, and OTP generations and fingerprint verifications, then forward to your phone, and it means message. So SMS notifications. So for suppose any unauthorized person trying to access your account, the SMS notification sent to your phone, and send the screenshot also, so you can easily find out the person who accessing your account. This is the main advantage of our programming, so our application. Here diagram, it will show the all the details one by one. So here register with face, first you have to register with face, and face detections and fingerprint, multiple party access, stored into database, logging to the system. KNN classification, it's one of the algorithm to compare the data. OTP generation, it send the data, so it send the OTP message to your corresponding phone number. Transaction details, it store the transaction details and mobile intimations. So after finishing your transactions, it will send the successfully message to your mobile. This is the class diagram. These are the functionalities which I made in program. So first user details, face and finger details, then account details, and next one is detection, it means validations, face detections, facial parts, primary user registrations, face details, face detections, relationship identifications, and verifications. Here third one is verification is very important. So you have to give the correct details, then only it give the access to you. So username, password, face details, fingerprints details, login, verify the faces, OTP generations, transactions, mobile intimations. The bank interface creation, this is the UML activity diagram. This is also how exactly my program working. Okay, so the first one, bank interface creations, face detections, fingerprint detections, multi-party access, face verification, finger verification, OTP, SMS. This is the my UML UI design, means user interfaces. First one, your login page. If you are new, you have to first register your details, then only you can log in. So this is the who have already account in this application, so they can directly log in here. This is a new user registration. So if you are new to the applications, you have to give some details to here, then only you can get the account. Here first you have to mention your name, then father name, gender, age, mobile, email address, account type, account number, username, password, retype password. So these are the details you have to give, then only the account will register. So card registrations, if you give the whole the user details, then you have to give the card details. Here user id, account number, account type, card name, card number, and valid here, phone number, registration pin number, and retype pin number, then give a submit. This is the face registration. Here main part of our applications, face registration in net bankings. So here also it asks your registrations. So first here not you have to give any details. Here you have to show your face front of the screen. So click the registration, it will take you to the camera, and here you have to show your face here. Once click the start camera, it will start to capture your face. So once you capture your face, give it the stop but camera, so then submit. Here you can see the bottom of the screen, account is activated. This is the real-time face capture login. So once you give the all the details, and you want to transfer the account to the some person, here you have to verify it. If you click the transaction, it asks show your face. So once you show your face, here you can see the your name also. So once you are show your face, it automatically show your name on your right side. This is the face verification part. So if you done the whole the verification part, it will take you to the account money transfer. So here you can transfer money to another persons, and these are the total UI in our applications. So thank you. I hope you all are understood my applications, and it will usefully to you. So it if you can say you can transfer the money to securely, you can use these applications. I hope you are all using these applications, and thank you everybody.